Okay, I'll first do a revisions on table of contents. Just 4 ways to. So this is an article taken from Nadine Myrick. So if we didn't do any heading and we just simply add a table of contents, this is what going to happen. Right? We add a new page. You throw enter. Control home. Go back to the first page. Right? So I got this. Communication skill, body languages. Just using Control Enter will move this parts to a new page, and so as this. Okay, we done that. Just okay. So here I'm going to add a table of contents. The way is to go for Reference tab, choose Table of Contents, and enter. Okay, now you see a problem. It says to add or remove items. Right, you to apply heading. Right, if you don't, there is no table of contents. So you can't do this. So what it says is that you need to mark those areas which is contain heading. So you go to Style, choose heading 1, body language heading 1, strong contains heading 1, consistence heading 1, practicing heading 1. So once you apply that, you can go back to your table of contents and click Update Table. And you can further update, adding this change, do modifications by clicking on the Insert Table of Contents. Right, you can add more things, show different levels, depends on how many levels you have, and you can go for modifying. Right, you can modify how's your table. The head one will appear in your table of contents. Right, TOC table of contents. So for example, you can change the color for this as well. I go for red. You can have more space between each paragraph, each heading in your table of contents. Each of the items in your table of contents by clicking paragraph. Okay. So I put 30 points of each heading in your table of contents and click OK. I can see that we have a different table of contents after now. Communication skill, so on. So that is table of contents. Okay, next we talk about cross-reference. Yeah, you have a communication skill on this page. We're going to insert a page number. Page number here, right? Insert and then move to page number. Now, if you find, right, listen this, right? If you find you access this command a lot of times, you can right click at this command and then choose add to quick access toolbar. Right, just add to quick access toolbar. What will happen is that it will add it to here on top, here on top. So you can have a much faster way to access these buttons, right? But you have to remember the step, right? This is the one, right? See that? Much faster, right? You can do this almost every commands. You can have the font color command, right click, quick add, and then you add it over here. Then this ribbon, you can collapse it by double click on the tab. So much neat, right? Give you more viewer space. So I have the page number by now, right? I have a community skill on page 3, and now I will add the word refer to communication skill on page so and so. Okay, so basically I have this. So refers to that communication skill I use cross-reference. Click on Insert tab, choose Links Cross-Reference, choose a heading. Communication skill is what I want and refers to communication skills, right? Exactly what I want. And I click on Enter. Okay, I can put a space here. Then on page, I have no idea where's the page for this chapter to start, but Word will know, right? Page number. So I click on page number. Again, I can use the show above below. Then click it. Oh wait, I need the page number as well. Insert page 3 above, right? Click close. So refer to communication skill on page 3 and above. So that's a typical usage for cross-reference. And you can also do it for the bookmark, right? Bookmark. In that case, you would, oh yeah, let's see here. This here. Okay. So bookmark wise is that I have a communication skill. I can bookmark it. Put the name bookmark. So not bookmark, right? Put communications. So communications can and add. So I got communications, right? Let's say in another page, I say look for bookmark. Look for communications on page so this I would choose cross-reference as well, but reference size I will use bookmark. And there's a communications only one big, so insert look for communication on page. Same thing goes to page number. Click insert and click close. Look for communication skill on page 3. So this will be a very useful feature when you print this. After you print this out, right, it's printed material, you can a good reference point. Next one is to add a source. Right, adding a source, right? Maybe someone say about this thing. User should be in tune with the message. So maybe someone say about this thing. So we can go to our reference tab, choose manage source. So since this is a new document, currently you will not have anything, so you can click on new, and you can say the author is as another person, right? It can be Amy Mickey, and then the title can be how to stay healthy, and you can say alright 100 years. The publisher's name is 100 years. So you gotta tag Amy and click OK. First step is to create a source. If you have no source yet, and then click close, that should be good enough. So now I have this. Your message is so and so, right? And I can insert in citations right here. So these words is taken from this Mickey, and I can add a bibliography right at the end of the document by pressing Ctrl N and Ctrl Enter, right? So it's the last documents. I just click on bibliographies, and that's already done, right? This is bibliographies. Next, I can also, instead of using this, I can remove this. I can use insert footnote. So I have a footnote here, right? There's one. If you look carefully, there's one here. So this is footnotes, and I can also insert, in fact, any text. But here I choose to insert a citation right here, Mickey. Right, or just before it, you can say please refer to end of page, end of documents. Right, bibliography sections and so on, Mickey. So that's one. Well, the other is indexes. You have a strong, you want to know which page, which other pages will show the word strong. Then you can select the strong and then click mark entry. So you got strong, right? Then you go for mark and click close. Again, you go to the end and choose insert indexes. You can go for the classic and click OK. So this is your bibliography as strong, right? Strong appear page 4 bibliography. That's done. Then we also talk about figures. So this is where you add some pictures. So you can quickly add a new picture here, insert pictures. You get this. As this is pictures, right? You can put a figure. Instead of image type here, you actually click on the image. Then you look for insert captions in reference tab. So we got figure 1-1 and we type LCY logo and so on. You can choose figures or you can go for other names, other label as well. This is optional, you can change. The others I have shown you how to add and click OK. Next, I can add another images, pictures. Same thing goes to do not copy, right? So I got a big one. And I can add a new reference tab, insert the captions. Again, you can add do not copy sign. Right. And click OK. So figure 0, 1, figure 0 as well. Now notice here is 0 because our headings contains no multi-listing. Right, if you have a multi-listings, then it shows 0. Okay, not that's it, right? This table of figures. Okay, then you have also enter watermark, insert some sorry, that is a page layout. Or in page layout, you can add a watermark. And watermark, go for default, right? Do not copy, confidence, or you can do a custom format, a watermark. I go for the default confidence. So it will show the watermark confidence on every page. Right. In the certain sections, you prefer that it will be shown in 2 columns. Do so. Select these 2 and go for page layout. Right. Go to. You can also using the feature called justify. So it aligns all the text to the left or to the right and to the right. This is why it says justify. Yeah. So next one, you can add some data about these documents, right? You can say total number of pages. Then you can add a quick part insert, a quick part, a field. Choose the category documents informations. You go for number of pages. You can go for human readable wordings and click 2. So total number of pages 7, and you can also say, right, written by so and so. If this document is written by you, then you can make use of the information you have saved on your info page. Right, which is this order. Uh, this is document is not written for me, but for to practice purpose, right? I show you where you can add these things, right? Again, go to insert, look for quick parts, and choose the document properties for author, right? So you can see written by LAU CHEE YONG, right? So that's one. Yeah, I think yeah. Okay, and we also have something on track the change. Track. So you go to reviews tab, so you can do some check review tab. You can click on track changes. So from this track, once you click on track changes, you will be able to know what has changed since that point onwards in the timeline. So click on bold. We can see that words will show you a markup. So this is in detail show markup. I won't explain too much on this, right? If you like these things, then you can click accept these changes. And once you done, right, you click next. There's no document. This is exactly like what it shows on final as well. So changes do take too much a lot of times to explain. Next one is the equations, right? You enter equations, right? You can go right to the another new pages, maybe somewhere here. You can answer a new equation by going to insert tab, choose equations. This is mathematical equations, right? Insert a new equations. Then you can pick one of these. For example, you can find some ratio. You can use right? If you use ratio, right, and R and I, and then this is ratio equals to R and I, and so on. So this is one, right? You can do your formatting, your font size as usual. And then if these equations a lot of times in your computers, you can save this as a new equations, give them a name, right? My ratio, click OK. So next time if you want to access these new equations, you simply go to your uh, insert menus and go for equations. Search down and you will find your my ratio. I show you. That's done, right. So it will save you a lot of time. Okay, I think this is what we cover on the second day. Thank you so much.